In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple productivity planner step by step. This setup can organize your entire week in just a few minutes. Let me quickly show you what we are going to build. This is a simple productivity planner where you can plan your entire week. On the left side, you have a weekly planner with toggles for each day. Below that, there is a quick to-do list for a small task. You also have notes section to capture ideas and reminders. And on the right side, there is a goal tracker where you can plan and track your goals and a button to quickly add new goal. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build this entire planner, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's get started. Let's start from the scratch. First, open Notion and create a new page. Let's give it a title, Productivity Planner. Now I'll add an icon and a cover to make it look more clean and more organized. You can choose any style you like here. I'll also add a code block just to give the page a nice and minimal feel. Now let's divide this page into two columns. This layout helps us to organize our planner in a much cleaner way. In the left column, I'll add a call-out block. I'll name it a weekly planner. Now inside this, I'll create toggles for each day of the week from Monday to Sunday. To make it more visually clear, you can give a different color to each day of the week. Under each toggle, you can add your daily task and plan your day. I'm adding few tasks for each day of the week. You can plan your entire week here in advance and avoid mental hassle during the week. With this planner, it becomes easy to plan, view, and track everything in one place. Once a task is completed, you can simply check it off, making it easy to track your progress. Next, I'll add another callout block and let's name it Quick To-Do List. Here I'll use checkbox items to add task. I'm adding few to-do list items. This section is useful for small tasks that don't need to be planned on a specific day. It's also helpful for tasks that suddenly come up during the day and need quick attention. So you can quickly add them here without disturbing your weekly plan. And once a task is done, you can simply check it off. Now I'll add one more callout block and name it notes. This section is completely flexible. You can use it to write ideas, reminders, or anything important that comes to your mind. For example, there is a discount going on for a limited time. You can quickly note it down here. Or if you find a quote you like, you can save it so you don't forget it later. This way, everything stays organized in one place. To stay productive and avoid procrastination, it's important to have a clear system to plan and track your goals. This helps you stay focused and measure your progress until completion. So let's move to the right column and create a goal tracker. Here I'll create an inline database. The title bar and name it goals. Next, I'll add some useful properties like date, status, and priority. These properties help you organize and track your goals more effectively. For priority, I'm adding options as high, medium, and low. Category. For categories, I'm just adding basic categories like health, family, career, hobby, finance. You can add as you want. Now I'm adding some goals and its properties. Now let's create different views. Views allow you to see the same data in different ways, making it easier to manage and track your goals. First, we have the table view. Now I'll add a gallery view. I'll make all the properties visible. and finally a board view, grouping it by category. So now you can view your goals in different ways: gallery, board and table, depending on how you prefer to track them. Let's add a new button block. I'll give it a name as Add New Goal. Next, set the action. Now when you click it, a new page opens automatically and you can fill in your goals details. This button is simple but powerful way to make your planner more interactive and easier to use. And that's it. You now have a complete productivity planner in Notion, including weekly planning, tasks, notes, and goal tracking. Everything is organized in one place, making it simple, easy to manage your day and your goals. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Notion tutorials. Let me know in comments what you would like to see next. Maybe a habit tracker or finance tracker or something else. And remember, stay productive, keep it simple and enjoy using Notion.